So we know that in our computer keyboard this is the control key and this is the 9 key. So if we press this control key and this 9 key, these two keys at the same time, then what will be happening in Microsoft Excel is the topic that we discuss in the video. So you must press the control key and 9 key, these two keys at the same time. That is after if you opening the Microsoft Excel, then if you want to hide a row, for example I am going to hide this row, that is the 15th number row. So I select this one and now you can see here 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 etc. But I am going to press these two keys at the same time, that is I press the control key and 9 key at the same time. And you can see the difference here, that is you can see that the 15th number row have been disappeared. So for removing a row you must press this control key and 9 key at the same time. Okay, again I show you. If I want to remove this 20th row, I first select here the 20 and after that press the control and 9 at the same time. Now remove your finger, so you can see that the 20th row have been drawn. For more videos check out Engineers World Online. Thank you.